Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethiye. I have a lot of leftover embroidery threads. They take up space in my workshop. Let's destroy them in an environmentally friendly manner. In addition to thread, we also need fabric. Here are some small pieces. Very important, the fabric must be made from natural fibers. I will definitely stabilize this fabric. I fix it in hoops. Now we need to select the threads for the first element. The embroidery is wonderful. 2 hours and 23 threads colors. Now we need to embroider the central element of the ornament. I start with small leftovers. Next is also a small element. The process is underway. This is the last color. Now look how well we did. 3 threads are sewn. Several threads, 1-3 meters, remain. I leave this for the next project. I take out our embroidered detail from the hoop. I remove the stabilizer. We need 2 pieces of insulation. I take a stabilizer. I glue the insulation. I cut off the corner of the insulation. I fix it all in the hoop. I secure all the lies with embroidery. This is a basic embroidery machine, Janoma Memory Craft 550E. Beauty. I take it out of the hoop. I remove the stabilizer. I turn the corner. Above is the main detail. I close this corner with an additional detail. I fasten with pins. Oh, I almost forgot about the loop. I sew a loop in this corner. This is how I fix it. And now I sew about embroidery. I cut off all the excess. The insulation must be cut to the machine line. I place the second piece of the insulation on the wrong side of the main part. I attach with pins and sew in the previous machine line. I'm cutting off the excess again. The final touch, I turn out the product. A ready potholder. Final cleaning. I really like this embroidery. Bargello looks great, so I made another embroider. And then another. My beauties. The sides are different. This is the first result of our work, And here is the second result of our work. Soon I will sew the threads and take the plastic for recycling. The description contains links to shops with handicrafts. By buying in these stores, you are giving jobs to Turkish women. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video. All the best in your sewing. Bye bye. Permanent heading on my channel. Wanted Cat.